Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn how we can implement the mobile controls. Actually there are already we have the scene here inside the Silantro fixed wings scenes mobile scene, and before utilizing this scene and before the build you should go to file, build settings, and then you should go to Android, and you should switch the platform from Windows to Android. It's important, otherwise when you will build it will create issues. So here is our mobile scene and everything is set up here properly, so you don't need to do anything extra to implement the mobile controls. You can see we have the autopilot, we have the start engines. If we go here and if we start the engine, it will start the engine, and then you can see the other options as well, like throttle, and like with the touch you can move the aeroplane right and left. Okay, so everything is working fine. You can see the touch controls are working absolutely good, and everything is implemented already with this asset. So definitely you can change the sprites, and if you want to see that how they have implemented the mobile touch controls, you can click on the relevant canvas items like joystick, and here you can see that on the joystick we have the Silantro touch script. You can definitely open the touch script if you want to check it in detail, and then you can modify the script as well. Everything is modifiable, and here you can see this is the code for touch control. Okay, and if you go here you can see that on other sections, for example throttle, we have the same script Silantro touch, and the relevant selections are selected. So here you can see for the throttle we have the Y only, we have the mode static, normal, inverted. For the pedal we have self-centering, X only, normal. For the joystick we have self-centering, axis both, and normal, inverted. Okay, so these are the settings. If you are aware of code, you can see the code, you can modify the code and implement it as per your need. Definitely you can implement the same script on other buttons as well. Also you can modify the sprites of these buttons as well, and you can go to case, and here is the sprites. You can go here, you can click here, and then you can change the sprite as per your need. Okay, here you can see, so it's your choice. That's it for this video. Goodbye.